Cal, New Jersey Transit really giving mixed messages this morning in terms of the possible delays that commuters might face this morning. In fact, that they are telling us that if you are headed from New Jersey here to the city and you travel on the Montclair, Boonton, and Morrison, Essex lines, that your service is going to terminate at Hoboken, and then you would have to take alternative routes via cross-honoring on the path, New York waterways, or even the bus to get here to New York City. If you take a live look at the board here at Penn Station, it does appear that everything is on time for now, heading out of Penn Station and into New Jersey. But take a look. This is what it was all because of: a startling scene underground over the weekend when a metal pole impaled the roof of a New Jersey Transit train after overhead wires came crashing down on top of the car while moving through the Hudson River Tunnel. Passengers said the lights flickered and it felt as if the train might go off the tracks. About 1,100 people on board heading into Penn Station Friday late, and many braced for some sort of catastrophe. Transit officials tell us that a piece of a metal bracket punctured the car that connects the train to the overhead power lines. Some of the windows blew out and smoke filled the cabins. Then a few minutes later, a second train with 500 passengers headed to New Jersey struck a metal object that was hanging down. Both trains losing electricity, though no one was hurt. All weekend, though, Amtrak has been making these repairs and working to get everything back on track, but it's really been a slow process. This morning, those repairs are not yet complete, so again, they are telling people to possibly prepare for 45-minute delays in and out of Penn Station, and again, that cross-honoring that's going on for several of the lines that terminate at Hoboken this morning. Though because of the Jewish holiday today, the commute could be a little bit lighter. We will stay here and keep an eye on things for you all morning. We're live in Penn Station. I'm Anthony DiLorenzo, Pix 11 News.